Hello guys, welcome back. If you stream movies and shows, you've probably heard about Real Debrid, but there's a new player called Torbox that's making waves. Today we're breaking down which one is actually better for your streaming setup. Both services do the basic same job. They grab files from the internet, store them on a fast server, and let you stream them instantly. No waiting, no buffering. Think of them as a bridge between you and all those streaming links. When you use apps like Streamio or Kodi, these services find better quality streams, usually in HD or 4K. Real Debit costs about 3 to 16 euros, which is about $3 to $17. It recently faced legal pressure from French authorities, which means some content might get blocked, but it still has the biggest library of cached files. That means most of what you want to watch is already ready to stream. It's been around longer, so it works smoothly with almost every streaming app out there. Torbox offers a free plan to test it out, and paid plans start at $3 per month. It's based in South Africa, so it's safer from European copyright laws. The downside? It has a smaller cache than Real Debrid, so you might not find every show ready to stream right away, but they've been adding servers and improving fast. The team is active and listens to the users. Speed is similar on both. Some users report Torbox can be slower on the east coast of America, but most people say both work fine. Real Debrid has more servers worldwide, which helps with speed. Torbox is catching up though. If you live in Europe or Asia, Real Debrid might have a slight edge. In other places, they're pretty even. If you want the biggest library and don't mind possible legal changes, Real Debrid is still the king. It's reliable and has years of cached content. But if you want to save money and like supporting a newer service that's growing fast, Torbox is worth trying. The free plan lets you test it out risk-free, and since it's in South Africa, it might last longer without legal issues. Bottom line, for now, Real Debrid is better for most people, but Torbox is a solid backup, and it could be the future. Try both if you can, and see which one works better for your setup. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.